Coverage on the economy this morning with Dollars and Cents, and our guest this morning is Tommy Williams, the president of Williams Financial Advisors. Thank you so much for joining us. Thanks for coming on our newscast. You're so big time now with on CNN and Bloomberg and all that, so you're big time.
No, I'm glad to be here. This is home, and I'm always glad to be back here.
So the big question today, is the recession over?
Well, the recession probably is over. Technically we won't know that until the a quarter has passed, and then you look back and you get the data. But one thing I'd like to remind you of, Liz, though, is since 1950. 11 out of 12 times in recessions, when the recession was technically over, the market rolled back. And everyone's excited right now because the market has gone up lately, and everybody feels better about that, and they should. But it's not over. There's still bad news yet to come. The unemployment numbers, for example, are still going to come in negatively. We'll probably hit 10% on the unemployment number. Right now, we're probably around 8.5, close to 9. So it's not over yet. And I'd like to tell the viewers this morning: buy, hold, and hope is dead. You've got to have a sell discipline, and those that don't learn that, those that don't have some method of having a sell discipline, are doomed to repeat the failure of their past.
What is a sell discipline?
A sell discipline is when something goes up, you sell it, and you make profits, and you don't ride things up and then ride them back down. It's like sitting at December 2008, which we did this past December, and look back, and 10 years of performance was gone. And if we're going to go forward into the future that I see and that most credible experts see, you've got to have a sell discipline to make sure that when you do have profits, that you don't lose them. And so I think you must have an advance and protect strategy. When you make money, you need to take profits. And we all are good at buying. Most of us are not that good at selling and protecting our profits. So I think it's an exciting time. The recession is coming to an end. It's better than anybody thought it would be 6 months ago. But I do think that if you don't have some method of protecting those gains, then you're going to look up and 10 years of your gains are gone. And if that's the way you're going to function as an investor, then I don't think the stock market is a legitimate place to invest.
Very interesting. Okay, so it is a good time to invest right now. Should people buy now or wait until it gets a little lower, the rollback?
That's a great question, and I'm not a market timer. The best time to invest is when you have money. And so if it depends on what your objective is, what your goal is. And so I think it's a great time. I think America's going to do well. We'll be out of the recession. I feel pretty confident by the fourth quarter. But I do think between now and the fourth quarter, we're going to have a rollback. I think the market will drop back some because of negative economic news that'll come out between now and then. So you might wait just a little bit and catch America on sale, and I think that could easily happen sometime in the next couple of months. Catch that sale, and then you'll be looking very good by the end of the fourth quarter.
Sounds good. Thanks so much for that advice, Tommy, and coming on the show.